I'm on a Kontraktova Square. It's in Kiev. Here they are making the world record, and right now they are preparing the most long, thick shawarma. Please drop a comment and let me know, do you like shawarma? In Russian we say shawarma. Guys, and of course new words from Maryna. Juicy, сочный, сочный, long, длинный, длинный, thick, толстый, толстый. Антон, что это?
Это самый длинный в мире, самый вкусный шаурма.
So it will be 130 meters or 423 feet long. And you can see they are cooking it right now. 120 cooks are making it. Imagine that. And you can see a huge line, so people are waiting for trying it. So yeah, you can try it for free. So yeah, guys, they're putting mayo right now. In Russian we say mayonnaise, mayonnaise. You can see the way they are pouring it. That sounds so cute. Look at that. Wow.
Світовий рекорд на півкроку від нас віддали, друзі.
You can see this is from the restaurant Doner Market, Turkish restaurant, and they decided to make this world record. Guys, 130 meters. So yeah, look at that. That is so cool. Now they will roll it, so you'll see it. My good friend, it's your time to guess. How many kilograms does it weigh? It weighs more than 200 kilograms. Oh my! And right now they will roll it up in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh wow, they're gonna warm it up. The chef is checking whether this juicy shawarma looks good or not. Guys, this man is measuring the length of this shawarma, as you can see it. My dear friends, we set the world record. 130 meters! Guys, I have a certificate that I was taking part in this record.
Вже і тим, хто в нас вже тут знаходиться, і тим, хто зараз в своїх відрядженнях. Прекрасно. Дозвольте зробити декілька класних знімків.
Guys, the shawarma is ready.
Власне кажучи, шаурма вже готова для того, щоб її роздавати.
Как тебе шаурма?
Шаурма очень вкусный. Шаурма действительно самый длинный. Он такой длинный, почти как вся Франция. Вот это вся шаурма. И вкуснее, чем все, что может быть в вашем мире. Кушайте шаурма Doner Market.
Guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next episode.